we introduce you to Intin Sperm Semen Testing Device, OVIEW Sperm Tester Pro. This device is a testing device that measures sperm count and motility. After unboxing, check for missing accessories and damaged parts. The chamber set consists of a chamber, a stick, and a cup. Be sure to read the enclosed instructions manual and properly use the device as intended. You need to collect at least 1 milliliter of semen sample in the cup for the test. Liquefaction means the process where gel-like semen sample becomes watery. Leave the cup with the sample at room temperature for 15 minutes for liquefaction of semen to occur. Stir the liquefied sample with the stick and coat the stick with the sample. Make sure to check the orientation of the chamber before use. Touch the silicone stick coated with the sample onto the square inlet of the chamber. Carefully slide the chamber right into the slot. Then, attach the clip onto the device and attach it to your phone. Adjust the device so that the cell phone camera and the lens on the bottom of the product is aligned well. If you see a rectangle on the app screen, press the Start Analysis button to start the test. Once the app is finished analyzing the sample video, check out your test results. Make sure to remove the chamber from the device after use. The chamber, stick, and cup should not be reused and must be disposed of as general waste.